morning, everybody. Like, comment, and subscribe. I want to talk about the stock market being a discount. It's a discount right now. You hear me? The stock market is a discount. I'm kind of pissed off right now because I ain't got no super extra money to just put in and keep putting in. Because let me tell you this, right? Nobody wants to buy high. If you put your money in a company, the stock shoot up. You don't want to buy high. We not chasing gains. We want the stock to come down. We want to put money into it as it come down because we know what we in the stock for. We're not in the stock due to stock price. Stock price, that's fluctuation. That's day traders and swing traders. If you're a long-term trader, you shouldn't even worry about that. And it's that simple. It's that simple. Right now, the stock market, discount. Discount. Period. You got to do your own due diligence and understand why you're in the company. So I'm not saying your stock might be a discount, but the stock market, the S&P 500, discount. Buy it up. Buy it up. Ghetto. Like, comment, and subscribe. Stock market is a discount.